Liquor Infusion Kits, they are the 5-minute crafts to give to yourself or give away as a gift. Today, I'll show you how to make 3 different infusion kits and my favorite cocktails to use them. Hey everybody, we're the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel. We love riding our mopeds and all things Wisconsin. Join us and we hope to inspire you to make your day with us in Wisconsin the best day in Wisconsin. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Okay, let's get going on making our 3 infusion kits, and I'll tell you my favorite ways to use them. First, we'll start off with the easiest. That's the creamy caramel moonshine. I use a small mason jar and filled it with 15 to 20 caramels. This one I'm planning to give away, so I added some decorative paper to cover the lid. I'm also going to give them a pour spout to use after the infusion is complete and you're ready to serve it. I don't use it while it's infusing because it's not an airtight seal. If you do want more information on the pour spout lid, I have a link in the description box below. I made a small recipe booklet and directions telling them to fill your jar with vodka or rum with about a ½ inch space till that's left at a ½ inch space is left at the top. Shake for 1 to 2 minutes and store in a cool place for about a week. After about a week, it's time to open your jars, strain the liquid, and discard any remaining pieces of candy. Go ahead and pour your caramel moonshine back into the mason jar, seal, and store it until you're ready to use. I have 2 favorite ways to use it. First is a caramel apple cider cocktail. Simply combine 2 ounces of caramel vodka with about 8 ounces of caramel apple cider and serve over ice. Now, if I was taking this to a tailgate right before a Packer game, I'd have a caramel vodka shot topped off with a spray of whipped cream. You know, because you're tailgating that time, like whipped cream that comes in the aerosol can. Another delicious way to use it is a shot into a mug of hot chocolate and top it off with whipped cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. Infusion number 2 is an apple cinnamon mix using whiskey, or go ahead and experiment with your favorite liquor. To the infusion jar, I add cinnamon red hot candies, some dried apple pieces, and also some little bit more decorative dried apple slices. And then just to top that off, I'll put in a few cinnamon sticks. As you can see, cinnamon is one of my favorites. Add a cover to the jar, and it's ready to give as a gift. Or, if you're using it for yourself, you can go ahead and add the whiskey to the jar and allow the cinnamon and apples to infuse. My favorite cocktail, I'll call the Fireball Cider. You go ahead and pour 2 ounces of the apple cinnamon infused whiskey over ice and then top that off with apple cider. Another way to use, I'll call it the apple pie spritzer. You add 2 ounces of your infused whiskey to the glass with ice and then top off with cream soda and stir with the cinnamon stick. The third infusion is cranberry citrus. Put dried cranberries in the jar and top off with dried lemon and lime slices and dried lemon and lime peels. Fill that jar with vodka and let it infuse. Check it about after a week, and if you want it to be a little bit more flavorful after the week, go ahead and let it stay a little bit longer. To drink, I'd like to make a cranberry Moscow Mule. Add 2 ounces of cranberry citrus vodka over ice and top that with ginger beer. Garnish with cranberries and fresh squeezed lime. It's easy to experiment with your favorites. Simply pick your blend of dried fruits and spices. Add your favorite spirit and let them sit. In just about a week, you'll have a fully infused spirit to sip on the rocks or mix into a cocktail. We hope you enjoyed our video. Subscribe to see more from the Wisco Wheeler YouTube channel. As we say in Wisconsin, drink Wisconsinly and have a great day.